We're going to be replacing the LED light strip that is not working on the Touchstone Sideline 60-inch electric fireplace. This could probably be done on many different types of electric fireplaces, but these are the instructions specifically for this model. First, you want to unplug or turn off the power to your unit. Notice on the left, the LED light strip is not working. Once power has been turned off at the breaker, you can go ahead and begin removing your unit. On this one, there's a Phillips head on the right, a Phillips head screw on the left. Removing those, carefully lift off the face cover, and then remove mounting screws if yours is mounted to a fake fireplace area. After the mounting screws are removed, then we're going to want to put down a blanket and remove the decorative stones that come with this particular model. You may have the wooden decorative fake wood in there that you can remove easily, but if you have the stones, this is helpful. After that's done, carefully take out your unit. Mine is plugged into the wall, and I'm going to unplug it. If yours is direct wired, hopefully you have by now taken the power down at the breaker. And now I'm going to clean the dust off. It's been in there a while. I like to keep things fairly clean. These two white arrows show the first screws to be removed. Phillips head screws. And then the next picture shows arrows to all the other screws that need to be removed. You can pause that as you needed. I have put earplugs next to each one of these screws to keep myself organized, so I know that I've removed every one of these screws. It's probably a little overkill, but I've done it nonetheless. Remove the back cover and you can see the internal parts. 3 arrows at the bottom show the 3 LED light strips. The one on the far left is the one that needs to be replaced because the blue lights are no longer working, the blue flame. There is a white plug that you're going to need to remove. I'm just here testing just because I'm curious. I wanted to see what it actually looked like inside when I turned the lights on and off. Those show they're not working. Here's your part number. That part number is on the LED light strip. All of them are the same, all 3 parts that the company sends you. There's the white plug. You need to remove it using a small flathead screwdriver. And the arrow is pointing to a little standoff. You can squeeze together with some needle nose pliers. There's one on each side of the light strip. And then you can slide it off. Get your new light strip.
So all 3
There's 3 of them there.
Exactly the same.
Doesn't matter which one, just pick one. Snap it on to the standoffs. There's one there. Clip it into place.
Yep.
And then on the other side, line it up and push down, and it will snap into place. And then plug in your electrical connection. Make sure it snaps into place. You're ready to go. If yours is a plug-in model, you can test it to make sure it's working, and you can store the extra 2 light strips for another repair another day. Installation is reverse removal. Be careful. Take your time, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like.